To add an inventory item, follow the following steps. Navigate to the Inventory module and select Inventory. In the new window that appear, select the correct storage location for your item as shown. Under the Inventory item details, enter the item name in the field provided. Select the item category in the drop-down selection and the item class in drop-down under the item class. Select the inventory sub-account in the drop-down menu and the cost of sales sub-account as shown. Select the income sub-account, which categorizes and manage different streams of revenue separately, making it easier to analyze and report on the financial performance of various income sources. In the Value Added field, select the VAT type. Enter the unit cost, which is the total expenditure incurred by a company to produce, store, and sell one unit of a particular product or service, and the unit price, which is the price at which a single unit of a product or service is sold to customers. Enter the total quantity, if any, in the field provided as shown, and the unit of measure, which is the standard quantity used to specify the amount of a particular item or substance. Enter the batch number in the field as shown. A batch number is simply a unique identifier assigned to a specific batch of products or materials. Make sure to adjust the batch expiry date. It provides critical information about the shelf life and safety of products. Enter the item code as shown in the field, and the barcode, which is a machine-readable representation of data that is typically used to identify and track products. Finally, enter the reorder level, which is the inventory level at which a new order should be placed to replenish stock before it runs out. Check the Create a New Batch checkbox if you want to create a new batch, and click on the plus button to add.